Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag Docker tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to install Docker on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So we'll go through the step-by-step process for the installation and configuration for the Docker on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So here we'll go through the full working code, clean steps, no error and recommended by the Docker official docs. So here we'll go through the step-by-step process. So first step is that Ubuntu update system packages. So we need the one Ubuntu server, or my Ubuntu server is running with the VMware workstation. That is my Ubuntu server. So I'm going to access this server. Such dpt at the rate 192.168.136.128. This is the IP of the server, and username password I have set while installing this server. So sudo su. So whenever you are going through any server, so step by step process we'll go through that. First step is that we'll just update the server to the system packages. So command is sudo apt update. So update is completed. Now we are going to upgrade the system packages. So command is the sudo apt upgrade minus y. Y is the permission we are giving yes permission for that. So let it complete. Sudo apt upgrade minus y. So we have done this one. Next, we are going to next step is that uninstall the all Docker version if install. So we don't have any Docker version, so we are not running this command. If you are you in your system already install the Docker, then you can run this one and remove this one. So avoid conflict on that. So next is the install the required dependencies. So these are the dependencies we are going to install. So all are installed there. Now I'm going to add the repository. So Docker official GPG key. So done. Now going to add the apt live repository. So we need these things for the installation. Now we'll update the system again because we have changed the source list. So sudo apt update. So here you can see the packages are updated. Your packages are up to date. Now I am going to install the Docker. So sudo apt install Docker ce doc docker ce and cli. Okay, better to I'm installing all the requirements. So docker c and docker ce cli and content io docker buildx builddx and plugin. So these are the things we can install. So give the permission yes. So let it complete. So all the plugins, Docker plugins and Docker community editions we have installed there. So installation is completed. Now I'm going to start the Docker. Sudo systemctl start Docker. So done. Let me enable whenever the system will reboot or system will start. Autom System will start automatically. Docker service will start. For that, we are doing this. Now I am going to create status. So active and running. So my Docker installation is done. So we have done this one. Now check the Docker version. So we are running with the 29.0.2. As per your requirement, you can install. So next we run the first Docker container. So for the testing purpose, I am going to install I'm going to run the hello world. So unable to find the image. So locally, so it will download the image and it will just run this one. So latest pulling from the library hello world. So here you can see hello from Docker. So this message shows you the installation appeared to the working correctly. So means that our Docker is working correctly. So next step is that allow the running Docker without sudo. So without sudo, we are allowing this one. Done. Now we need to reboot the system. So I'm just going to reboot. So you need 6. Let me check. System is going to be restart. So done. Now I'm going to access again. Now check the Docker services. So Docker PS. So there is a we are getting the output means the Docker is running. So here we have successfully installed the Docker on 24.04 LTS. Next step 11 is the install the Docker Compose standalone version. If you want to standalone version rather than the plugin, so we can install the Docker Compose and later on video I'll show you the what is the use of the Docker Compose. So step by step process we'll go through the next video. So here I'm just showing the installation and we are giving the permission and check the so this is the so completed. Now we have given the permission. Then check the Docker Composer first. Docker. Okay, Docker Compose, not Composer. Compose version. So running with the 2.40.3. So here we have seen the step-by-step process to installation and installation guide for the Docker on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So disclaimer is there. All trademarks, logo and names belongs to their respective owners. So this video is made for the educational purpose only. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Drop drop your question in the YouTube comments. I will reply personally. Subscribe to free tutorial and learning content and certification tutorial. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comments. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.